Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by opening Netflix and playing the show or movie you want. Once done, move your cursor or tap the screen to reveal playback controls. This exposes the audio and subtitles icon. You need this menu to change audio settings directly, so make sure the player is active and not paused. If you're on a smart TV, press the remote's OK or menu to show controls. These first steps let you access the exact setting that mutes or changes audio output. Now you adjust the audio itself. Open Audio and Subtitles and review the available tracks. Some titles include an off or secondary track that's silent. If there's no off, switch to a track labeled AC32, 0 or another low-volume option. On smart TVs, you might need the device's audio output settings. Set output to external speakers off or change to mono. If you use an app on mobile, use the device volume hardware buttons to mute after selecting the quietest track. Finish by confirming the audio is off during playback. Resume watching to verify. If sound persists, stop playback and reselect the silent track, then restart the Netflix app. This often applies changes. Make sure your device's system volume and Bluetooth outputs aren't overriding Netflix settings. If restarting fails, clear the app cache or sign out and back in. As a last resort, test another device. If audio still plays, the title may lack a silent track, and you'll need to mute the device itself.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.